Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel in ASHMN. So, in this video, I will show you how to pronounce the regular verbs in the past simple tense. But before that, do you know what is regular verbs? Or do you know the past simple tense? Okay, first of all, the past simple tense is used to describe an action that occurred and was completed in the past. Then, regular verbs are verbs whose past tense are generally obtained by adding the suffix ed to the base form or bare infinitive. The regular verbs in the past simple end with one of three different sounds. There are three sounds of the regular simple past tense. First is this phonetic symbol. For example, played, played, called, called. Okay, next, the second is t. For example, talked, talked, ask, ask. And third is id. For example, started, started, visited, visited. And how to see the difference of regular verbs in past simple tense if you are writing? This is the structure of regular verbs. First, if the verb ends in E, just add D. For example, agree become agreed, like become liked. Second, if a verb ends in consonant plus y, we can take off the y and add ed. For example, try become tried, carry become carried. Third, if the verb ends in a vowel plus y, we add ed. For example, play become played, enjoy become enjoyed. Fourth, if the verb ends in a vowel plus a consonant, the consonant is usually doubled. For example, stop become stopped, plan become planned. Fifth, the past simple of regular verbs is formed by adding ed to the infinitive of the verb. For example, start become started, kill become killed. So there are the difference in pronunciation of regular verbs in the past simple tense and structure of regular verbs. If you want to know more detail about the material, you can visit my website on ashamaharanipus.wordpress.com. I hope this video will useful for your knowledge. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye! Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.